We recently stayed in a DVC one-bedroom garden pool view at Disney's Boardwalk Villas. These rooms are a few more points than the standard view, and you should have a nice view of either the pool, the garden, or, as you can see here, boats. Walking into the room, you will have a sizable foyer for strollers or just your luggage. It then opens up to a combination of a dining room, kitchen, and living room area. We are a family of 4, so our boys slept on the pull-out couch that converts into a double bed. Just a quick tip, make sure you ask for extra blankets. One thing missing in this design is an extra hideaway bed. Some of the other resorts were designed with a pull-out bed under the TV. In this resort, you just get the TV and some storage underneath. The kitchen is a good size for one person at a time. There's plenty of cabinet space for groceries and the added convenience of a garbage disposal, dishwasher, coffee pot, toaster, oven with stove, microwave, and of course a fridge. There's no filtered water or ice machine in the fridge, but they do give you some ice trays. My favorite part of the DVC resorts are the in-room washer and dryers. These are generally only available in the 1-bedroom and up categories. Make sure to bring some laundry detergent as they give you a starter pack, but that will only get you through 1 or 2 washes. The bathroom configurations in DVC resorts is interesting. In this space, you have a toilet, sink, and walk-in shower. Surprisingly, this room did not have a handheld shower spray, as many DVC rooms do. So this is bathroom part 2 minus toilet, and it has a jacuzzi tub, which is great for anyone who has young children who need to take baths, as well as a sink and get ready area. Located off of bathroom part 2 is the most massive closet you'll ever have seen. It has your safe, a place to store your luggage, a laundry basket, and I believe this is where they keep the pack and play. And the last room on our tour is the master bedroom. This room includes a king-size bed, more storage for your clothes, and a TV. But I'm probably most excited about the USB ports that they've installed in the bedside tables, so you can charge your phone easily. And now let's head out onto the balcony. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a garden and pool view, so you don't know if you're going to get the gardens or the pools. In this case, we got the waterway heading down to Hollywood Studios, and it was a nice view of the boats. Well, this just about wraps up our tour of the 1-bedroom DVC pool or garden view room. We hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for joining us on this Disney room tour. We hope you enjoyed your tour. Comment if you have any questions, and FAT Airlines wishes you happy trails home.